Greetings, family. Hi, it has begun a new project. This follows that one. Yeah, a new project. You see? Yeah, I'm working this project, but I would like to share something with you here. There's this thing they call the decision making in the process of creation or while in the process of creativity. So, what do they talk about when they talk about this decision making while in the process? Is that the sketch idea might not be completely the same with the original work of art. Can you see the difference? Can you see? Yeah. But all other things will be there. But there are decisions now which I have to make, you know. Um, Like for example, if you see this one, it's a lead pencil. This one, it's a lead pencil. But now I have found that I still need to talk more about the story in the work because it's more like there are scenes which I didn't talk about. So I will transform, or let me say, I am meditating about transforming this lead pencil as I have transformed the hair of the woman, because this one looks like a white woman in terms of the hair, or maybe an Indian or someone, but not it someone with a afro hair. So this is another decision making that I take, that okay, I would leave this one. I will put the afro so that the message will be clear. Also here, this one, it's a cricket ball. It got those stripes there. It's a cricket ball, but also it's that thing of Pokemon, that Pokemon ball which keep Pokemon. So now I would like to add another meaning within that same thing so that it can look like like I don't know how to say this. I want this thing to look more like three things at once, you know because also I found there is a missing link here, um that I was supposed to put here, but I believe also if I didn't decide to do it here on this one, already the background has done the thing, because I wanted to put more light here, you know more light. But now I'm asking myself why more light will be here but there is no sun there in the background, because it has to appear like a dream world or a desert space, an empty space. That what it represents, a space, a like a land of nowhere, you know yeah. That is a juxtaposition element that I've used, because this life that I'm talking about here is happening in different places, but I juxtapose it with nowhere, because the nowhere, it's more like it includes everything that has been happening as once, because you can't say it happens here if it happens there and the other happens there and the other happens there, but all those others are one in the concept. Except if those others were singular in their own concept, then we will have to point a direct point. So, with this no man's land, I believe like my message also it's coming through. The one which I want to put it here, because I want to put it that thing of like, we used to like to go and watch movies in the night, in the night. So while I saw that Pokemon, also I saw it as that cricket ball, but also I have a way of seeing it as a moon also at the same time. But I don't know now how to implement that. I think I have to make it black and white, because me, I thought I will make it a color, red and what. But I found now, okay, I think I must make it black and white. So it has to be a moon first. So, and then I will transform that moon into these three things, you know. If how I'm going to do that, I will find it through the way. But I love art and I enjoy what I'm doing. I enjoy what I'm doing. And also, you remember this one. You see? Can you see these lines? Those one we were talking about. The pointers is a latiso. You see? Even this work of art in this form is in the pointing form or in the line form. You know, lines most are the ones who shows the edge. This is the end. This is the beginning of something else. This is so. I haven't worked anything here. It's just zalatiso or the pointers according to my invented concept. So I believe this stage they call it a grisile stage, but me, I find a way to bridge it in between while I'm doing something also, because my aim was to achieve the automaton within me to absorb the skills and so that I can do it the way I feel it instead of do it in a systematical way. But I will try to pinpoint there and there and there and there, because I don't believe artists must be robots in how they create their works of art. Yeah, because some of the objects or the skills that you have to employ to put a certain object there and there, you might learn it from someone else who make it easier for you to understand. So the art creation process, it's a compilation of skills that have been learned during the period of time. I will show you my artworks, my previous artworks through time. You will see the difference, to you can where you can see clear that, okay, in this level the man was not aware of this and he was not aware of that. He was not. Now at this point there is an improvement because now he has figured out that and that. But my main focus here is not to portray reality, you know but instead, like, to mimic reality as much as I can, to a point that everything will be clear to you what it is, no matter it's not as it is in reality. Maybe they call it expression, that thing. So I want to put that expression also, and I have invented also an element which I don't even know if it already exists. Maybe it's called by another word, but for me, I call it the element of play. You know, where whenever you add your design, your surrealist elements, and put it everything there in their orders, now you will have to play and keep the image interesting, you know but we will talk later about this element of play. Give thanks and praise for everything that is good. The creator is everything.